Hey Action, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are filming a 1,000 subscriber special. Thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. And so what we are going to be doing is we're going to be filming for you guys. We're going to get some lit content for you guys. Hope you guys will enjoy. I love you guys so much. We're going to do this. And we'll probably just go to the Nike outlet or something like that, go out to eat, probably go to Cheesecake Factory and go to Opry Mills, and it's going to be a good time, guys. So subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys there. Alright, let's do this. Okay, we're at Foot Locker, so let's go inside. We got these are really cool, they're pretty fire. Yellow. And here are some dunks, they finally got in some dunks. Okay, we got this, we got these. Okay, that's what's up. Ooh, these are pretty cool. They nice. Supposed to be like that. Got those, everything. They got some Air Forces. Oh. Different with basketball. Those are cool. I like these. Okay, guys, we're now at finish line, so let's go inside. So off the bat, I saw these. These are really cool. I like the gray colorway with this. Also, I really like these. And I also saw these. I like the colorway, but I don't know about that design though. Wow, we got these at the finish line. Wow, that's a rare find. Super cool. We got the black colorway. Looks pretty cool. I like it a little bit better than the white. Alrighty. Yeezys at the finish line. Alright, we got those. Saw those. Those black ones are pretty cool. Okay. I like these red ones. The felt material. Yeah. All blacks. Saw those too. Saw these. So, these dunks are pretty cool. These dunks are pretty cool too. I like these. These are really cool too, guys. Yeah. Alright, that's what finish line's got here. Okay, guys, we're at the Nike outlet. See what they got in store for us. Alright, we got some Air 27Cs. Okay, we got these. I've been seeing these. Oh, I saw these. And it's like, what are these? It's like they're boots, but at the same time, they're trying to be air boots. My gosh. Things Nike be coming up with these days. Alright, we got some felt black and blue Air Jordan 1s. Then we got some Air Forces. Classic Air Forces. Everybody's got like those Air Forces, guys. Comment down below if you like the white Air Forces. Then we got some Air Max bolts, which I actually have a pair of bolts, but not this colorway. This colorway is pretty cool. And we got these crazy dunks, high dunks, orange. These are pretty cool. Pretty fire. Those are cool. I do not know what these are. These are supposed to be a crazy dunk. Oh my gosh, guys. Jordans right here. More blazers. I believe these are the blazer lows. Oh, those are cool. And these are really cool too. I don't know. Which one do you like better, guys? The black colorway or the white colorway? Comment down below what you think, guys. They got those. Got the pandas. I don't know. These are dunks, but I don't know what colorway that's called. Then we got the regular Air Forces. Oh, we got some Jordans. Some more Jordans. Jordans are these. Wow, guys. Crazy what they got up in here, guys. Just do it, guys. Just do it. Look at this Tesla. Nice. Love that color. Royal blue or something like that. Very pretty. Tesla Model Y. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to try this. I hope you like this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you guys made 1,000 subscribers happen. It means the world to me. Thank you so much. And remember to just be you. Peace.